Now, problem 18. In how many ways can 345 be written as the sum of an increasing sequence of two or more consecutive positive integers? Firstly, let's note that 345 equals 3 times 115, which equals 3 times 5 times 23. I'm going to write out two arithmetic facts. So 1 and 2. So 1 plus 2 plus all the way up to 26 equals 13 times 27, which equals 351. And so this means that we have sum of at most 25 terms. We can't take the sum of 26 terms because any sum of 26 terms, all of whom are positive, will be at least 351, which fails. So yeah, and also two or more, that's important. So for odd values, we can take 3, 5, 15, and 23. We can always split 345 into the sum of 3 consecutive integers, 5 consecutive integers, 15 consecutive integers, or 23 consecutive integers. And like, for example, to take the sum of 5 consecutive integers, we take the 5 consecutive integers centered at 345 over 5, which is 69. So this would be like 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. We also can have some evens. We can get away with it. Like, for example, that would be 2, 6, 10, and yeah, no, just 2, 6, and 10. And for example, 2, 6, and 10, we would want to center this around 34.5. So it would be 33, 34, and then 35, 36, 37, 38, 32, 31, 30. So you do something like this. So for the evens, where it's 2 times an odd factor of 345, the average value that you need to hit is something 0.5, which is perfectly fine because you can hit that when you have an even number. And so this gives you a total of 4 plus 3 equals 7. So the main idea here is that like there's 2 ways to get numbers as a sum of consecutive positive integers. Either, oh yeah, and I never had to worry about the positive integers condition because I did this. This is kind of an if and only if. Like, firstly, any sum which has more than 26 terms will fail, but any value, if we get like some value at most 25, we get like some m less than or equal to 25. We also have that for like m less than or equal to 25. If m divides 345, will be fine. If there's a sequence of positive, and if there's a sequence of integers of m consecutive integers adding to 345, they'll all be positive. And they'll all be positive because for m less than or equal to 25, the sum from 1 to m is less than 345. So you have to like kick it up. You won't go down, you'll be kicking it up to hit 345. Okay.